Welcome to this tutorial on how to do turning chains for double crochet. I'm going to show you 4 alternatives and you can choose which one you like the best. The common number of turning chains for double crochet is 3. However, when you start rows with 3 chains, you can either work directly into the first or into the second stitch. And I'm going to show you how it looks if you work into the second stitch. And in this case, when you go back, you have to also work into the third turning chain to keep the stitch count. But you can see it creates a bit of a gap for me. However, for you, it may not. So try and see if you like this alternative. Or the second alternative is to work the first double crochet into the first stitch, and this removes the gap. However, the edge doesn't keep as straight, so the turning chains will bulk out and give you a less straight edge. So try which one you like the best, or try this third method, which is to wrap around the turning chains to pick up a loop for the yarn over, then insert the crochet hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, then yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. And what you end up with here is a different, wider double crochet with the chains included. It keeps narrower and it keeps this edge more straight. So this is a great alternative if you want to try that. And then the fourth option is something called the stacking single crochet method, where you insert a crochet hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and complete a regular single crochet. But you find the left leg of the single crochet and insert a hook into that, and then pull up a loop again, then yarn over and go through 2. And with this method, you kind of do a double crochet, but you do 2 single crochets on top of each other and you get the same height. And here you also have no gaps, you have a straight edge, and it looks great. So 4 great alternatives for the turning chain for the double crochet. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.